Hi, I'm Simon and welcome back to the SureView Lab. In this episode, we're going to use the Data Sources feature of SureView Cases to access commonly used information to simplify data entry and reporting. The three most common used data sources are people, vehicles, and objects, although a data source can be anything that is important to an organization. I'll demonstrate how easy this is in today's lab using a simple directory of company vehicles. For this example, we'll use a data source that has been manually added to SureView Cases. However, this can be imported from a file or connected through an integration to a back office database. So let's get started. I have created a data source called Company Vehicles. This data source includes multiple different fields that describe each vehicle, such as the make, model, year, color, license plate number, and asset owner. As you can see, I have several vehicles in my data source already. And if you want to add to the list, simply click Create New and add the details of the new vehicle. The beauty of a data source is that it contains all the relevant information about the item without requiring the end user to enter this information manually. This ensures data integrity, eliminates data entry errors, and speeds up response. When a user in the field opens a new record in Cases, let's say it's to record a vehicle damage, they don't have to enter this information manually. All they do is select the impacted car from the data source drop-down list. If there's a new vehicle that's not on the list, users simply add it to the data source so that next time an event occurs, this information will be available. But it doesn't just save time for end users. Data sources allow managers to quickly query their system for details about individual data objects within the data source. For example, let's say you want to create a report on how many reports have been filed per vehicle and what the cost of these repairs have been. Simply create a new report in Insights that lists all the vehicles that a damage report has been opened for. Insights allows managers to visualize this data in various different formats in order to quickly spot trends and take action. Although our example focused on company vehicles, data sources can be a list of employees, company assets, essentially anything that's important to your organization. Check out the other videos in this series and subscribe below to stay up to date with the latest from SureView.